Good morning, everyone. The graduating class this year is indeed fortunate for having a guest speaker whose social and educational background qualified him for being such. Actually, he is no guest at all, for Santa Ignacia is the place of his birth, and while living abroad, his heart and soul are with Santa Ignatians. Born to affluent parents, the late Mr. Francisco Limayo, a former principal of this school, and the late Doña Lourdes Limayo, Valdez Limayo, a former municipal councilor. Our distinguished guest speaker finished his elementary school here in Cinces in 1956 as the class valedictorian. He obtained his secondary education at the Santa Ignacia High School, Bats, 1960, likewise as a valedictorian. In 1965, he graduated the degree of Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering from Piatti University. Immediately after graduation, he got employed with the management from the Jose Convanco & Sons Incorporated, manager of Central Azucarera de Tarlac and Hacienda Luisita for 18 years. In 1983, he migrated to the United States to pursue the American dream, became a dual citizen, and retired as aerospace engineer with a high-tech company in 2010. Impressed by his strong leadership and enthusiasm to serve the people of his own town, Santagueñas abroad have chosen him as the founding president and presently chairman of the Santa Ignacia Society of America, popularly known as SISA. He is also the president of Santa Ignatians Worldwide, a benevolent social networking group. He is the chairman of Santa Ignacia Central Elementary School Alumni Association of America, which is spearheaded the Centennial Grand Alumni Homecoming in 2010. He is happily married to Mrs. Melba Albiar Limayo, also a former teacher of this school, and they are blessed with 4 sons. Ladies and gentlemen, with sheer pleasure and distinct honor, I am presenting to you our distinguished guest speaker, Engineer Romeo Valdez Limayo.
Thank you, Madam Elena Pablo, distinguished guests, school officials, headed by our principal, Penalita Aguas, Councilor Buen de la Cruz, officials and members of the PTA, members of the teaching force and staff, dear parents, dear grandparents, fellow alumni, graduates, ladies and gentlemen. It is a
distinct honor for me to speak before you this morning on your closing exercises. It seems like only yesterday when I delivered my valedictory address 59 years ago in this same hallowed ground of the Santay Ignacia Elementary School. The environment in 2015 is very much different than in 1956 when I graduated. Before, we only have Section 1 and Section 2. Now, you have 5 sections, appropriately named after the planets of the universe. That is very inspirational. That is very motivational. For if you fail or get lost away from your planet, you are still among the stars. I have learned a lot about positive changes of this school over the years. And I have been very impressed with the school's commitment to quality education, academic excellence, and community involvement. I applaud the school officials and the faculty who have worked so hard to teach and inspire. To you, graduates, I offer my sincerest congratulations for the great achievement for which you are being recognized at this moment in time. I also want to congratulate the parents and grandparents for the great job of raising these fine boys and girls during a particularly difficult time. Dear parents and grandparents, you succeeded. We now ask the graduating class of 2015 to please stand up. Turn towards your parents, your grandparents, or guardians. Let us give them a standing ovation. Let us give them a rousing applause. To the people who really sacrificed so much to make this occasion possible for you. Thank you, graduates. Please sit down. Do not forget to say thank you to your parent, grandparent, your sibling, relative, teachers, mentor, or friends who encourage you and inspire you. Hug them and say thank you. Not with a textbook message, not with a Facebook comment, and not without a tweet. We now live in a digital world. Our children are growing up in a world of computer games, of iPhones and Skype, of Facebook and Instagram. Yet, living in this high-tech world does not mean we forget the importance of personal touch. the joint efforts of the teachers, parents, and the community are the contributing factors affecting the students' academic, developmental, and social growth. And very relevant and compelling with this year's closing exercises theme, Saktong Buhay sa Dekalidad na Edukasyon, Pinanday. Pag-graduates, pinanday ka, ngunit kulang. Dahil sa masamang impluensya ng mass media, the television, movies, and the internet. Pinanday ka, ngunit kulang. Dahil sa juvenile delinquency, dulot ng truancy o vakansya, hindi kalugod-lugod na kapalitiran sa bahay man o sa kapitbahayan, at sa maling puwersa ng mga kaibigan. Pinanday ka, ngunit kulang dahil bagito ka, mapusok at walang ingat. Graduates, itanong mo sa iyong katabi, bagito ka ba? Bagito ka, pasaway at walang tiyaga. Allow me to borrow the lyrics of Bagito, the teleserye. Batang-bata ka pa at marami ka pang kailangan. At indihin sa mundo, yan ang totoo. Nagkakamali ka kung akala mo na ang buhay ay isang bumunting paraiso. Batang-bata ka lang at alam mo na ang lahat na kailangan mong malaman. Buhay ay hindi ganyan. Tanggapin mo na lang ang katotohanan na ikaw ay isang musmus lang at wala pang alam. Makinig ka na lang. Makinig ka na lang. Makinig ka sa payo ng inyong mga magulang. Makinig ka sa mga pangaral ng inyong mga guro. At higit sa lahat, makinig ka sa salita ng Diyos. Narinig niyo na ba? Ang isang batang babae na nakatira sa ilalim ng tulay sa Bagong Maynila ay nakapagtapos na valedictorian. Makaahon sa kahirapan ang kanyang inspirasyon. Pumapasok na gutom, pagod at puyat. Kulang sa gamit, wala siyang cellphone. Narinig niyo ba ang isang batang babae rin na nahirang na valedictorian sa Lambayong Elementary School, Holo, Sulu? Mahigit na 1 oras na paglalakad, makarating lang sa eskwelahan. May baon na 10 piso ang pasahe araw-araw. Pero iniipon niya para sa pagpagamot ng kanyang inang may sakit. Pangarap niya maging guro sa takdang panahon. Palagi ang nating naririnig, libre ang pangarap. Pero nasa iyo ang pagpupursige. Sundin mo kung ano ang iyong hilig. Gawin mo kung saan ka magaling. Mahirap maisa katuparan, pero sa bandang huli, ikaw ay magwawagi. Feel mo, gets mo, gawin mo. In a few hours after the excitement, in a few hours after merrymaking and celebration, you begin the next step of your metamorphosis, a change for a better life ahead. This is your time. Spend it well. This is your future. Shape it well. This is your life. Live it well. It is a bright path ahead for all of you. And it is a great honor for me to share this day with you. Congratulations, graduates of 2015.